Ilang beses ko nang nakikita sa newsfeed ko itong new girl group na 'to that call themselves Wink. So, akala ko nung una is parang V-Vink because it's a bit odd kung paano nila sinspell yung pangalan nila. But I really noticed na very catchy yung Pinoy song nila. So, I had to check kung ano or what the internet is saying about them. So, as of this moment, they are already 56 or 60,000 views on YouTube. And not bad for the first song talaga. Kasi they have just made a debut under Flip Music Productions. And so far, so good. Yung song nila na Tulala really grows on you. So sa una, parang hindi mo pa siya kaagad maa-appreciate. But habang tumatagal, maganda pala yung song, no? It's a bop. Ang dali niyang maging LS or LSS ba yun? Last Song Syndrome. And it will keep playing on your head paulit-ulit. And then, eventually, inad ko na nga siya sa playlist ko after the umaaligid ng SB19. Of course, I watched their music video and of course, because they are just starting, hindi mo talaga makikita na high budget yung music video nila. And even yung mga damit nila is still a work in progress. Pero when I saw them perform dun sa arena, sa basketball arena, I realized na malaki yung potential nila. They have really strong facial features, so the members are very memorable, which is very important if you are launching a girl group. And apart from that, marunong din silang gumawa, magsulat ng sarili nilang song. I think this is one of the major things kung bakit sila napapansin. Because there are a lot of girl groups that are cropping up right now, pero ang distinct advantage nila is that the members are able to create their own music. So, yung isa sa members nila dito, alam na natin na she co-created o co-wrote yung isang hit song from a popular girl group. And so, this is the reason actually na maraming expectation sa kanila. Pero hindi lang yon kasi when I checked, magaling talaga sila sumayaw. Each of the members, I checked their TikTok account and kapag sumasayaw sila ng mga dance covers, actually magaling sila and the choreography of Tulala is also very memorable and very cute. Mahirap siya actually sayawin pero it grows on you. Meron siyang dating, hindi siya corny or hindi sila cringe. So, makikita mo na may pupuntahan actually yung kanilang career. And I also love the fact na very feel good yung music nila. So, what I hope is that marami pa silang i-release na Filipino songs na bop because right now, kailangan talaga natin ng mga feel-good music. Of course, that is not to box them na sana ganun lang yung gawin nila because eventually, they will mature and grow as artists. Pero sana dahan-dahanin nila at enjoyin nila yung pace na yon because we'd love to hear more Tagalog songs na very cheerful and very inspirational. And also, I hope that makagawa din sila ng vlog nila to introduce each of the members so that mas may enjoy ng mga P-pop community fans or yung mga nasa P-pop community na kilalanin each and every one na nasa loob ng group. So I think isa sa mga members who is getting a lot of attention right now is this girl. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, siya yata yung Ayaka. I don't know if siya si Ayaka, but I feel siya yun kasi sabi like Filipino, Japanese, and dalawa yan eh. Two of the members have this strong Filipino-Japanese look. So, sabi nila one of the members grew up or is part Japanese and then umuwi talaga siya sa Pilipinas para ipagpatuloy yung career niya dito. So, the members are not neophytes actually. Matagal na sa entertainment scene yung iba and yung iba sumali na sa The Voice. and former child actress din yung iba. So, multi-talented sila. But, ang commonality nila, according sa Flip CEO na si Jelly Mateo, they wanted to create a girl group na all about second chances. Kumbaga, sila yung mga hindi nabigyan ng pagkakataon na manalo agad-agad or to become a big winner, but they have what it takes to be big. Kumbaga, so the name Wink or parang V-Wink nga is symbolizes itong pangalawang pagkakataon, which is giving another chance, kumbaga sa dream ng mga young girls to excel and reach their maximum potential. And I believe na tama naman ang Flip Music dito. Their motto or their goal of forming this group is noble. Makikita mo dito na why not, no? 'Di ba? Each and everyone has a chance to be able na masubukan uli o mabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga sarili nila para mag-excel, and that is a good message to keep on trying talaga until you reach your dreams at yung hindi ka talaga magpapatalo sa circumstances and you fight for it. And because of that, merong fire o spirit sa kanila to want to be better. So, it's not handed to them easily. Hindi naging madali kung paano sila sisikat, and there are a lot of obstacles that they have to overcome. Pero magiging sulit yon if they really have a strong mission together at strong relationship, and of course if they will remain humble. And sana, no, like SB19, they would be able to have a strong connection to the divine. So sana nagdadasal yung mga members na to, no, because I think it would make a huge difference. I think the boys in SB19, the great difference kaya nakaka-achieve sila ng success apart from being very humble is their prayer life. So sana ganun din sila. And of course, ang paa ay ano lang talaga, on the ground, humble, at wag yumabang. And of course, keep on producing songs and music videos that would really capture the imagination in the market. And I hope that they will retain yung branding nila na youthful, and they will not try to look so mature kaagad. Kasi a lot of the girl groups that we are seeing, usually they are being marketed na much older kaagad yung look nila. So I hope that they will enjoy a little bit yung pagiging hindi naman yung pagiging marketing na parang you're trying to be young or super bata, but the kind of charm, of course, na hindi minabadali yung growth or stage ng success nila. And I feel naman for as long as they know how to recognize the industry greats and hindi sila nakikipag-away and they remain humble. Yun nga talaga yung word talaga na humble. I don't see any hindrance actually to become the next big thing or the next girl group na aabangan din ng mga Pilipino, and not just the Filipinos but the entire world. Why not, 'di ba? So, congratulations, Wink, or how do you say it? V-Wink ba yun? O Wink? And suggestion ko lang siguro is to be more present and to have more edits, not just on TikTok, but also to have something sa other platforms like Facebook and YouTube, because it will really help you a lot. And sana mas marami pang articles also that will be written about you. But it's also good that they have already started their campus tours, kasi makakatulong talaga yon greatly in making sure na tatatak sila at maaalala sila ng tao. Just keep on making amazing songs, just like Tulala. And alam mo yun, fun and meaningful songs, and songs that will also uplift the country o yung magtataas talaga sa Pilipino at sa Pilipinas. And if you go to that formula talaga, success is always in the corner. So, congratulations!